So today I'm testing this Nano Glass Foot File to see if it can smooth rough heels and dead skin without being too harsh. Typically I use a little filer that has the blade on it. This does not have the blade. I don't have to worry about that. It has an anti-slip area zone right here. It's a soft touch finish. It's like a silicone feel. The whole entire thing is silicone. So here it is up close. And it also has this nice hook so you can hang it and do this in the shower if you like, or in the bath, or hang it somewhere in your bathroom for convenience. Here is up close. Let's just show you the little files here. It's like a rough kind of, not sandpaper because it is not like a sandpaper, but it kind of feels that way. It's a Nano Glass Foot File. So we're gonna do this on my heel right here. There's some rough edges, lots of cracking. So I'll show you up close. Sometimes, even if you go get a pedicure, they don't focus and do a lot of like one specific area. They just kind of skim it and then keep going, right? Because you're not in there all day. So this is really good. I like to do these like file and do this after like a bath or a shower, just because you soften up the skin a little bit to help really get in there. But I did not take a bath or a shower right now. I'm just doing this freewheeling, and I'm gonna see how it feels after. So I definitely like the handle. You can really do different angles. And I feel like the grip, you can get a better grip on it. So I'm just gonna do it a little bit and see what it feels like. So you can see it already activating and working on this specific area. Wow, that actually feels really smooth. So I had some existing cracking there that was rough, didn't feel good. This feels really smooth. It looks cracked, but those look filled, and it feels really, really smooth to the touch. And then if I feel over here, this still feels rough. So this is working really nice. Typically, like I was saying, I use those blades to do this. And sometimes you accidentally cut a little too deep, or your skin will start being all uneven. This, you don't have to worry about that. You just file it away. I absolutely love this handle grip though. I'm gonna have to do my whole foot now. This feels so smooth. I would compare this to like a baby's bottom. It feels really smooth. Thanks for sending me this to review.